I roam alone. I've got meat. I'm listening. Oh, it's freezing. Oh, it's freezing.
Okay, so getting a little hungry. Not too worried. Just gotta find some. Out. Oh, my apologies.
After all, you wouldn't want to be stuck out here in wild. I mean, in the wild.
Oh, my apologies.
Well, we're out of fuel. But don't worry, the current will take us home. We'll just sit it out.
So, what should we play next? Oh, I'm so hungry.
Want to take a break?
I'm starving. Where is Dub?
Well, I could use a bite. I'm hungry, Fiona.
Or I can get a killer tan. An all-you-can-eat buffet.
Fantong, this is my first real speech to my people. Sorry, I'm really nervous.
It's a big help, but I'ma think I'ma hear a waterfall.
What?
어디 가서 실컷 놀고 있겠지 뭘. 그러게. 아유, 나도 배만 안 고팠어.
아유, 배고파.